Good morning, good morning. So today we are making bird toys. And I said, let me just put it up on a video. Some cardboard cut into squares. Not feeling good today, don't mind the voice. Some tubes of cardboard. Some coconut. Not easy to drill a hole in coconut, and some treaty fresh coconut. So what I did was I got a piece of wood because coconut is very hard to drill a hole through, and my gun, and fast because it'll slip right out of your hand. I've done it and it doesn't feel good. It hurts. So my little Guffy and my little Ricky is going to just love these. I turn them so it's like up, and then I take one of these. Oops. Put one of these in here on. This is an old chain from another bird toy that I had that I'm reusing. I'm going to put a piece of the square cardboard. I wish I had a longer chain. I'll have to find some. I'll do that. And then I think I'll put another coconut. I don't want to give her too much coconut, so I'm just using the shell. I want to stay up there. No, it doesn't want to stay up there. Okay, anyway, it won't fall off. So I just take the pieces of the shell without the coconut. I'll save that as treats, and I'll just give her one piece. And this is a wood. It takes the whole perfect. No trouble there. So, I'm gonna put one more of these on and put that on. I could probably add something else. Another tube. There we go. And they'll probably have, I don't know, maybe a couple hours, maybe the whole day, I don't know. Let's see how long this lasts with my little honey bunnies. And there is my completed do-it-yourself bird toy.